Welcome to another exciting design tutorial with UXMate. Today we'll be exploring this cool plugin where we can generate text and color styles as quick as you blink. Yes. So let's quickly open this plugin and I'll quickly show you. You can search Project Setter by UXMate. I'll put the link in the description as well. Just open this plugin. Now once you open this plugin, this interface is very simple and straightforward. There are two major sections. One is to generate text styles, other one is to generate or edit the color styles. So if you see, there are no color styles or no text styles available in the document. So we'll quickly generate the text styles first. So you can select any font which Figma supports, right? So you can choose any font from here. So let's say Poppins for now. You can directly start typing and it will show you the fonts matching to that. Okay, so let's say Roboto for now, and then you can define the largest heading size, for example 36, and then you can simply say generate styles. It has generated all the styles which you need to in your day-to-day design practices, from H1 to H6 headings, button text, small button text, large, body text, then link text, form label text, navigation menu text, everything. So you don't even need to do it manually. Everything is generated automatically. Same goes for the color styles as well. It comes up with a basic theme. You can modify these colors as you want. You may change it to HSL or hex input, and then you can put in your input colors for the primary, secondary shades, or all the shades which you want. And then it also has this info icon where you can see the description about what does the primary color means, what does the secondary color means, how you should be choosing these colors, right? So simply just select the colors which you want in the single palette. So by this you can see all the colors in a single go, and then you can simply click on the generate color styles. So it has generated all the color styles within the fraction of a second. Now you can use these styles in your design, or if you want to clear these styles, simply you can go ahead and clear color styles. Let's say if you want to modify anything, simply open the plugin again. Let's say we want to modify the primary color, simply change your primary color, and then again hit on the generate color styles. It will only affect the modified styles, and rest of the styles are as it is. And to clear them, simply clear the styles for the text and for the paint. Yes. So I hope you'll be enjoying this cool plugin. It is developed by the UXMate itself. I have a link in the description. Be sure to check this out plugin. It is one of the very cool Figma plugin. So you can start using it quickly. Set up your project and get started with it. Yep, that's all. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.